have created one company for your practice.
Yes.
Okay, and
Yes.
till this assignment you guys have completed.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have reached to till assignment. In middle, we have one out in defined functional area. So
Okay.
we have created administration department. So
Okay.
to create next department, it is not coming.
Okay. Okay. I will tell you. No problem. So for that, we need to go with T code
FM
only, right?
function. Yeah, yeah,
So see, once I'm creating, suppose anything like see like
mm.
uh, a
Delete administration.
suppose like ADM I'm creating like this. So I'm giving this name, this text I'm giving
Okay.
validity from validity to, and then I'm saving. It is getting created. See, double D is created. Now I want to
Mm.
create cell. So just change the name in this field and simply
Mm.
click on create for next. Getting my point?
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Means
yeah,
for
understood.
next, just give the new name which you want, next which you want to create. Suppose now cell I want to create. I created admin. Now a cell I want to create. So give the just
mm.
change the name with cell with new, and then click on create. Then it will again come. Then you can
Okay.
give this and you can proceed. Same way you can proceed for next functional area. You can
Okay.
save like this.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
So please complete it. But I think just functional area is left only, right?
yeah. Till
So,
assignment over. Functional.
so like this, you please complete today. Huh?
Sure.
So yeah, we have completed this general. We started our configuration from this general settings. In general settings, there are four options: country, region, currency, calendar. And in enterprise structure, the company code, these all details, credit control area, and then assignment of those things completed, right? So now let
Yes.
us move forward to company code global parameters. Okay, now we have company created IT. Suppose if we will take example like IT consultants have created the company code, functional area, financial management area, segment. Okay, functional area. Now company code global parameters. There are like these details. Now now we need chart of account, fiscal year variant, posting period variant, currency settings. So these details are also required to make the system ready for the postings. Okay, means and these all details like chart of account, fiscal year, posting period variant, and this currency settings, field status variant, tolerance group. These all together, these all will be called as company code global parameters. Okay, these
Okay.
10 will
But
be called as company code global parameters.
sure. Before we proceed, yesterday in FI enterprise structure,
Hmm.
um, you told
Okay.
that profit center you will be discussing it later.
Yeah, that I
yeah.
will discuss. I will discuss. I will discuss. That is, that is since that is a part of uh, profit center is a part of master data, not configuration. That is why
Okay.
I have kept that on hold. So that is a part
Okay.
of organization structure. But since that is a master data, not configuration. So that is why I will create when I will create the master data. That time I will create because whenever we will do the document posting, that time profit center has to be there in the line item.
Okay.
So since this is a part of master data, that's why it is on hold. So I will do that later. Okay. So now one thing I forgot you guys to tell you, like see, and I think you guys are already aware about client. I want to show. Let me log off. Log off. See, this is our IDS server. So in real time, this server details will not be there. Just log on. This log on, window will be coming in real time when you guys will work in real time. Okay, project in real
Okay.
time projects. So you guys need to log in. You need to select this and click on login, and then you can see here 800 client, right?
Yes.
But in real time, there will be three different systems, like I have said: development system, And in development system, there will be two different clients. Means client number will be different for sandbox and for golden. Golden is for IT consultant configuration, and sandbox is for IT consultant testing. Okay, so for one development system, in the development system, two clients, and then quality system client will be there, and production system client will be there. So there will be three systems and four clients in real time. Okay.
Okay.
So this client number will be different that time. But since it is the IDS system, practice system for education and practice purpose, so that is why it is 800 only. But in real time, it will be, let's say, it will be 100 for development. For development, golden client. For sandbox, it will be 110. And user ID login password we will get from our basis consultant. They will create and they will assign us the user ID and password. Okay. And so let's say for quality, we will have this client 200, and production we will have production. What do you guys think? Production for production access, consultant will be given or should be given production access or not?
Consultant, no.
Business side.
Correct. But consultant should be given this, to support business users. Consultant should be given, access to display access, like display reports, GL reports, balance sheet reports. So consultant should not be allowed to do any postings in production, but they are given access to see the various reports, GL reports, customer reports. Okay, display access they are given. Then only they can support, right? Why this functionality is not working? Why this something is missing? Tax code is missing. Okay.
Right.
The product. So now let us log on to our IDS practice system. 800 client here. So now let's again move to this. Company code global parameters. So in the company code global parameters, the very first thing is a chart of account. Okay. Second thing is fiscal year variant, posting period variant. Posting period variant is nothing but the month in which posting has to be done. Okay. Fourth parameter is currency settings. Means if a company, suppose let's say Dilip business, people want to sell a customer who is based in US, or who is based in Singapore, or who is based in UK, okay, out of India, then this Dilip group of business, these people needs to, IT consultant needs to do the configuration for exchange rate related configuration is required. Okay, means if suppose one USD is how much, 83 or something, INR. So these settings should be pre-configured in the system. Then only when doing the transaction with that with that customer based in US, system will calculate the we can do the transactions. Okay, because the fluctuation will be there. So that's why I will explain in detail. And then field status variant, tolerance group, document types, posting keys. So let's start with this chart of account. So one by one in detail I will explain all these 10 parameters. So today our target is to complete this 10 company code global parameters, controlling area setting with the definition which I have already explained. But just in the system, I will create the controlling area setting 1:n for 3 company codes. For in our case, in our example, and 1:1 for US company code. Two controlling area I will create as per this structure. Let's see, two controlling area, right? One controlling area 1:n for these 3 company codes, for Indian company codes and US Singapore company codes. And for US company code, there will be 1:1 methodology controlling area. So this I am going to do. Okay. And then profit center standard hierarchy. Hierarchy is a part of configuration. See, this is the part of just this one I will create. LCOA underscore hierarchy. Just I will create only just hierarchy, not profit center. This group and profit center is a part of master data. So that I will do later. So let's start. Let's come to first, this first topic, which is chart of account under the global company code global parameter. Okay. So see, chart of account you can see. Chart of account. Okay. Below chart of account, we can First check the, we can see the definition. You no need to write. I will share this Excel file. Okay. So you no need to write. When I will tell write, then you guys please write. But I think I have written this configuration. I have written this definition. Then no need to write. So see, chart of account. What is meant by chart of account? So chart of account is a library of GL masters. Based on it, we can record all business transactions in enterprise or in organization or in company or in firm, and also we can generate all financial reports required for internal and external stakeholders. Okay. Means
Okay.
a list. It is a library of all GL masters. Means asset related GLs, liability related GLs, expense related income. All kind of GLs will be there. In the chart of account, and with the help of that, we can record all business transactions. All day-to-day business transactions or month-end business transaction can be recorded in that particular organization. Okay. Or okay, and chart of with the help of this chart of account only, what can be generated? Financial reports can be generated for internal and external stakeholders. One for internally internal purpose and for external purpose for financial reporting. So chart of account is nothing but just a library of all GL accounts. Okay.
Okay.
So now see, you guys understood like chart of account. Okay. Now this one you can see, we can use three types of no. Let's come to this diagram. Chart of account. Below, we can do the classification actually in the chart of account. Means there are generally there will be four kinds of accounts. Okay. If we will classify the accounts, we will make the grouping of the accounts. So there will be generally asset category. Asset related accounts will be there, liability related accounts will be there, expense related accounts will be there, or income related accounts will be there. Correct. So we will do the
Yes.
classification, and what all the asset related group asset related GLs will be there, we will bring those in one group. Whatever will be the liability related, we will bring them to one group. Means we need to create the account group based on the asset, based on the liability, based on the expense, based on the income. So below, in the chart of account, we need to create account group to do the classification for the GL accounts. Okay. And classification we are going to do on the basis of asset, liability, expense, and income. Okay. And below the, like we have done the classification, then we need to create the GL masters. Correct. Under asset, we need to create the asset GL masters. We need to create the liability GL masters. We need to create the expense related GL masters and income related GL masters. Okay.
Yeah.
Now GL masters in SAP can be 10 numeric digits. With maximum means a GL master we can create with 10 numeric digits. Okay.
Okay.
And minimum, minimum how means how much we can, we can keep it 6, 5. So like that we can keep.
6.
Yes.
Okay.
So maximum we can go with 10. Okay.
Okay.
So now see, now this one, there are three types of chart of account in SAP. In SAP, there are three types of chart of account. First is operational chart of account. Second is group chart of account. Third is country specific chart of account. Okay. So
Yeah.
now see, actually this here I have what I have written. One chart of account I have assigned to multiple company codes. So this I will explain in detail. Means one chart of account is assigned to multiple company codes. Let me explain in detail below. So see, we can use three types of chart of accounts are there in SAP: operational, group, country specific. Okay. Now let's say let us discuss the first operational chart of account. What is its meaning? So it is a mandatory chart of account. It is mandatory chart of account for every company code. For every company code, it is a mandatory chart of account, and all business transactions are recorded at operational chart of account level only. Okay.
Okay.
It is mandatory chart of account for all company code, and all business transactions are recorded at operational chart of account level only. Okay. Now this one, operational chart of account, how you guys can maintain. You can maintain one operational chart of account and you can assign to multiple company codes. Even we can assign to multiple company codes. Even we can assign this chart of account to this one to US company code also, which I have forgot. Okay, so 1:2 operational chart of account can be assigned with one chart of account can be assigned to multiple company codes, 1:n. Okay, 4 or more company codes can be linked with one chart of account. Suppose let's say I will define LOCA, Dilip operational chart of account. Okay, now
Yeah.
Okay.
second one is group chart of account. What is the definition of group chart of account? It is optional chart of account. Group chart of account is optional chart of account. It is used to consolidate two or more company codes data where we are using different operational chart of account. Okay, means it is first of all, it is operational chart. It is optional chart of account. Group chart of account is optional. Operational was mandatory. It is optional chart of account, and it is used to consolidate two or more company codes data where we are using or company is using different operational chart of account. Means company is using 1:1 1:1 operational. See here you can see the example. Let's say this one GOC1 is one operational chart of account. GOC2 is separate different operational chart of account. GSC1 is separate operational chart of account. Means each company code is using separate operational chart of account. Okay. Now we are assigning. You guys are assigning this as per the business requirement. You guys are assigning this separate operational chart of account to respective company codes. Means for LI01. This Hyderabad company code, you are assigning this separate operational chart of account. For Mumbai steel related business company code, you guys are assigning separate operational chart of account. For Singapore separate, for US separate chart of account. Okay. Now group how we are doing the grouping. So grouping means we are combining all these you can see we are combining all these operational chart of account to this group chart of account. Okay, we are combining all these operational chart of account to one group like that. Okay, and you can make the subgroup also. Like if you want to make group of these two, well, you want to make a group of these two operational chart of account, you can make it one, and you can assign them like that. You can assign this. You can see the diagram. You can assign this like that to two company codes. Okay, means but generally 99% one operational chart of account will be created and it is assigned to the multiple company codes only. This is not recommendable. This is not recommendable. Okay. It is only recommendable. Okay, that's why it is in the definition it is written it is optional.
Sure.
And when it is required, when this group chart of account is required, when company codes are using separate operational chart of account, then it is used to consolidate all those operational chart of account. Okay. And now see a third one, country specific chart of account. So see in its name we can find the definition. It is optional chart of account. Based on this we can generate country specific legal reporting requirements. It is optional chart of account. Based on this we can generate country specific legal reporting requirements, just like income tax reports, GST reports, etc. Means if we have the requirements to meet any country specific requirements we want to fulfill for the business, for the company, then country specific chart of account is required to be created that time. This is also optional, but in interview it is asked, please tell the chart of account definition. What are the chart of accounts? Then we should know the chart of account. This is the definition. This is mandatory. Okay. Now one note is there. See, operational chart of account and country specific chart of account will be assigned to company codes. Okay, directly. See, you can see the operational chart of account is directly assigned to the company code in 1:n. And even in 1:1 also you see GOC1 is operational chart of account separate, but operational. GOC2 is operational. So it can be assigned to company codes, but group chart of account will be assigned to operational chart of account. But a group chart of account will be assigned to operational, not to company code directly. Okay.
Okay.
A group chart of account will be, see in the diagram, a group chart of account will be assigned to operational, not to the company code directly, but operational chart of account will be assigned to company code directly.
Okay.
Okay. So now this chart of account is done. Do you guys have any doubt?
Hmm.
Hmm?
Mm.
No? Okay. So now let's move. Chart of account is done. Now account group. Okay. In the what is the, see, account group means just to classify, making the group of the accounts. Like I said, on the basis of asset, on the basis of liability, income and expenses. See, definition is, it is used to classify GL masters based on their type and nature of accounts. Okay. And also it controls the number range for GL masters. Number range is also defined. First classification we will do for the GL masters based on their type and nature of account, means we generally there will be four kinds of GL accounts only, whether it is liability, asset, income and expense. And further we can also control the number ranges of the GL master. Like we can keep, like liability we want to define only between 1 lakh to 1 lakh 999999. Okay, 1 lakh 99,999. Assets we can keep in between 2 lakhs to 2,999, and this income we want to keep between 3 lakhs to 399, and expenses we want to keep in between, like that. Means we cannot create expense accounts beyond this, or beyond this 4, before this 4 lakh. Means expense account will be created between 4 lakhs to 4 lakh 99,999. Okay.
So
Similarly
this
with
range
income,
is standard, huh?
no range we can, as per the requirement we can define, as per the business requirement, not an issue. This is just I am giving example.
Mhm.
Range we can define in system, as per, suppose if business wants this liability to start with 6 lakhs, or then we can define with 6 lakhs, 6 lakh to 6 lakh 999. Maximum we can keep 10 digits. I have kept here 6 digits. Maximum we can go for with 10 digits. And this is not a standard. As per the business requirement, consultants will discuss with the business, like this is the requirement of how you guys want. Like, so they will say we want keep liability starting with 7 lakhs or 70 lakhs. This range we want to like that maintain. So then we can, IT consultant will will understand if that can be met. So IT consultant will do the configuration.
But this 4 expenses to same area.
Yeah, but these 4 will be there only, correct? These 4 classification will be there: liability, asset, income, and expense. Because all GLs will come under these 4 only. You can take any example. Those will be, each and every GL will come under these 4 category only. Whether that GL will be asset, income, expense. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. So this under comes to account group. Huh?
Yes. Means we are just GL masters. We are making the classification. We are just making the group. Whether a GL can be liability, asset, income. So we have made the group for liability. Means what all the GL liability GL will be created should be in this number range only. 1 lakh, between 1 lakh to 1 lakh 999. What all the assets we will create should come under this range only. That should not go beyond this range. Then it can be identified, right? We will see, you guys will see that, or a user will see, or a consultant will see a 2 series GL master. Then immediately we can understand it is asset. If you will see
Okay.
3 series GL, we can immediately say this is income category GLs. We will see 4 series related, we can understand it is expense related GLs, correct?
GL code is amount GL number.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So now see, in the you guys need to prepare this. This also is not required to write down. So now this you guys can refer this to do account group, to define account group in the system. So let's start with account group. definition is done. So now let me go to the system back and do this. Now let me define this. So we are going to define this account group 1:2 and methodology. Okay.
Okay.
So let me go to SAP. So path is SPRO, financial accounting new. SPRO. Please write down edit chart of account list. First give heading, enter this company code global parameters.
Yeah.
Company code global parameters, give heading. Below that give first heading, first subheading, chart of accounts. Edit, okay. Define chart of account. Okay. Now write down the path. SPRO, financial accounting new. SPRO, financial accounting new. General ledger accounting new. Master data. GL accounts. Preparation. And edit. No problem.
Financial accounting new.
Financial accounting new. General ledger accounting new. General ledger accounting new. Next, general ledger accounting new. Next, master data. Please write down very fast, very fast, because we need to complete. Okay, yeah. So master data.
Next preparation.
No, after master data, GL accounts. Next, preparation. After master data, GL accounts. After that, preparations. Okay.
Okay.
And next, edit chart of account list. Edit chart of account list. Now see the this it's T code also. OB13 is the T code. Please write down beside. OB13 is the T code. Beside path you can write down OB13 is the T code.
Okay.
Okay. So now let's define this chart of account.
OBR.
OB13. O
Okay.
for yes. So see, we have come here. Now press new entry. Write down press new entry. Okay.
Yeah.
And give LOCA in chart of account. Give LOCA. Description. Dilip operation. Dilip operational. In the description, please write down Dilip operational chart of account.
Okay.
Okay, just a minute. Yeah, Dilip operational chart of account. After that, this one, maintenance language. In the maintenance language, select English. In the maintenance language, select English.
Okay.
And in the controlling integration, select manual creation. Okay. And now in the controlling integration, select manual creation of cost elements. Manual creation of cost elements.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. And now save. Click on save. And please try to make sure saving in our own TR only, on transport request only. So data is saved. Now we have created the operational chart of account for our Dilip business. Now let's now please write down the next heading. Assign company code to chart of account. assigning company code to chart of account. We will link the chart of account to the all company codes, all 4 company codes, same chart of account. Okay.
Yeah.
And T code, please write down the T code beside the heading OB62. OB62. Okay. Now, after coming here, click on position button. After coming, now then execute this, and click on position button after coming inside. Give our company code. Okay. Then F4 in chart of account, F4 in chart of account, and then select our Dilip related operational chart of account, LOC1, which is in our case. You guys would have defined other, then you guys please select respective ones. Okay. So select this one, our chart of account, and assign that chart of account. After that, just simply save it. Click on save. Save in the TR. Done. Okay. Now next, please write down next heading. Define account group. Define account group. T code is OBD4. Define account group. T code is OBD4. Okay. Then execute and come inside. Okay. After coming inside, press or click on new entries. Click new entries.
Okay.
So this one I'm going to do. This one, the list which I have created. This one. So one series is for liability. So I will make subgroup. Like liability wise, I have decided, since it is example in real time, as per the business requirement, they can keep 2 series with liability, 3 series with liability, whatever, 7 series. So in our example, I have created like this a group: liability with 1 series, okay, asset with 2 series, and in the liability I have created the various subgroups. Okay, see, share capital with 1 lakh to 104 times 9, reserve, and these all are the liabilities. See, which I am going to define in the system. These all are the asset subgroups which I am going to define in the system. So it will be further classification and further grouping. Like if cash and bank related, so cash and bank I will create only in this range: 240002 to 249999.
Okay.
So like that, this is what I'm going to do in the system. I'm going to define these all in the system. Okay. So
Yeah.
now LOCA, and this L100.
L100 means liabilities.
Yes, L liability and 1 series. Share capital. Don't write, because I will give you guys this. So I think you guys don't write this. You can write down, like follow the Excel notes. You can write in the notes, follow the Excel notes to define this, so that there will not be any confusion. So this one I can copy.
ఫస్ట్ చేయలేదు ఇందాక ఇచ్చిన
So what I am doing, I am copying from my Excel only and
Yeah,
pasting
understood.
here. Pasting here. Okay. Select these all.
కాన్ఫిగర్ చేసింటే చార్ట్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంట్
Delete.
or the organization chart.
You guys can also copy from Excel and paste. Okay, no need to
Yeah,
Yeah,
write that much. Concept you guys are understanding, right? Then no need to,
yes, yes.
one by one. Now simply save it. Chart of account is LOCA. We have done the subgrouping liability wise, asset wise we have done, and because and also the name we have given, so that we can understand for the subgroup, and subgroup range also we have created. Data is saved. Now move to next. Now please write down next heading. Define retained earning account. Define retained earning account. T code is OB53. In account group, please write that T code OBD4. Beside account group heading, write down T code OBD4.
We wrote.
Okay. Okay, then please write down next heading. Define retained earning account.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And T code is OB53. OB53.
Yeah.
OB53.
Yeah. Done.
See, what is retained earning account? So retained earning account is a kind of, we can say, liability which has been retained, which business, as we know the, concept of this owner of the company and owner of the business, and business is separate identity, right? As per the accounting rule. So
Yes.
both are treated as separately. Okay. So
Correct.
what are the earnings of the owner if business is having, means that will be treated as liability. Means business will treat that as a liability, because that earning is that earning belongs to owner. Okay, that's why retained earning will be created as, it is treated as liability, so it will go under reserve and surplus in the liability side. So okay, so now execute and then give chart of account, give our chart of account LOCA. Execute, give chart of account LOCA, enter. Let's say our liability is liability range is 1 series, right? So I'm giving this GL. Here X, here account 1,10,000, correct? Enter. See, one warning message is coming. This account not created in chart of account, because we have not created this GL master, this